Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by duplicating the background layer so you can always revert. Once done, make a rough selection around the object with the lasso or pen tool. Keep a small feather like 0. 5 to 5 px so edges blend. Then invoke Content Aware Fill or hit Shift plus F5 and choose Content Aware. You're not aiming for perfection yet, just a first pass to remove the main subject and let Photoshop sample surrounding pixels for a base result. Now you refine the fill so the image reads naturally. Use spot healing for tiny artifacts and the healing brush to paint in texture while sampling nearby areas. That maintains grain and lighting. For repeating patterns or structural fixes, employ the clone stamp with Alt or Option sample, keeping opacity around 50–80% for subtlety. Make these edits on new layers set to current and below so you can mask or lower opacity later. You're building layered correct. Finish by matching tones and fine detail so the fix disappears. You can use dodge and burn lightly or apply frequency separation to independently correct color and texture. If edges look sharp, blur the layer mask slightly or add match noise with the Add Noise filter to unify grain. If you still see seams, rework the selection edges and repeat targeted content-aware or healing passes, sampling closer pixels. Troubleshooting tip: if results look patterny, undo the last step and reduce clone opacity, or change the sample area to break repetition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.